What up, you guys? Skull here. And today we're gonna be playing. Well, this is gonna be our new survival series, but okay. I know I should do this before I do anything else, but I think I spelled that right. And now, should I just do a normal survival world? I would like to copy the seed I had earlier, but do it. Yeah. Anyway, today we're going to be playing Avatar: The Last Airbender. Oh, come on! Oh my god, I got it right. Who was that? I don't know how to do that right. Well, we do gotta get basic tools still. It's just this mod on here. Like I said, no other mods. I can't, if I add more mods, the mod will glitch in. I'll play it for a while. I just try to make this video and I add a lot of mods to it, and yeah, it glitched. Like crazy. And cheats are off, you want to ask. So I got this is normal survival mode. So let's start. Wait, since I'm the avatar, okay? It's second song? I don't know how to do this. It's second stop. Did I be in the water do this? So I played this mod, me and my little sister played this mod before, and now shift right click. I don't know how you use it, but okay. But anyway, let's start mining some basic blocks, you could say. Until we get to at least iron armor, I don't know. If I want episode 2, drop a like though. Saying this now, because I know if you don't use episode 2 than anything in the world, but hey, I'm not bad at Minecraft, that's a good thing, I'm not bad at it. Oh, god dang, I left this in here. Should I kill these cows, guys? Now leave them alone, because they don't deserve to die. Hold on. Wait a minute. All my builders could just do that. I did not know I could do that. Wait. Hang on. Oh my god. Makes me too. I'm not trying to risk all of it and just. I'm not trying to risk everything and then go on. I'm just not gonna risk anything. Oh, the game's lagging. No! It's gonna take a long time. Oh, but it's sick, because it's a trap chest and bro, I'm gonna die. Oh, I can make a curse fruit from. Can't. Never mind. What? This all fell. Well, I waited 3 minutes for this video, so let's just hurry up. It didn't work. Okay, good. What did I delete? Oh, there it is. But guys, I want to try to level up my abilities in the first episode, cause bruh, if I do this now, then it's gonna take a lot of power to do this, though. Get me level 2! 1, oh yeah. A couple more, I think. Last shift. God dang it, level 2, never mind. I wish I had an air glider. No. I think you need to stop some. Oh, thank God. Oh, there's a bee spawning still. Okay, whoever made this mod, then bruh, he scared me at that point. Why did it scare me? What's up? You tell you that you just want to know what's inside here. I did not know. This is not script. No, after I just said that, it sounds like it's scripted. I just finished upgrading my skills. Yes! Now my skills upgraded. Now I think I remember one of the abilities. The upgrade, new upgrade skill. I think I remember one of the abilities. It's Wild Punch. Yes! Wait, that's it? I had a double ticket. See, I'm recording, but what? Just what? You better have some good trades. What's that? I know it was a little crazy. I guess in the first episode we found a village. This has to wait. Wait a minute. God dang. Why so open? A diamond, that's it. My first diamond is a villager. Not from the village, right? Well, y'all got Minecraft related that. I definitely need a Elytra. Wait, what? Isn't that rare? No, I just picked a random seed and I was trying to get the seed I had last time. No, my other, a cell. This should be used for later. Guess not. I could try to fight the iron golem. My elemental abilities, or just leave him alone. I'll go this way. I just heard that from right here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I might not even can hear me, because my mic's pretty far away. Okay. I don't want my mic really near me, because I might not hear me. Wait, I still have my iron. If you want to episode 2, don't forget to drop a like, because bruh, hold on. Oh my god. Let's use those power. Oh. I did not even level up. Wait, was it green before? I think I got to do like level 10 to get the avatar state. I'm gonna get that pretty quickly. Hold on. Here's my phone's on. Okay, right now, my goal is to try to get avatar state. So there's a way to do it. Alright, damn it. Wait, hold on. My level 2 abilities, what they are. Let's see. Hello. Okay. Really? I'm trying to make it. And I'm trying to make a YouTube video. He just interrupted. I have 15 minutes to make a YouTube video, and I have 10 minutes left. Why not Chinese? Okay. Bye. I know how I'm doing. I think I'm here. I had to get some energy shield. Yeah, now you go 10. Okay, I'm not that dumb, guys, or what? I don't know if I'm dumb or not. I'm just trying to get to the next level. I am the avatar. The last airbender, because I know this in the mob thingy. Oh, that actually got lucky. I did not mean to do that. Hey. Now, let's see what my level 3 abilities are. Tell you that I don't know my level 3 abilities. Hold on. Level 1 abilities. I guess I'm going to use level 1 abilities for now. I wonder what my level 5 ability is going to be. I'm thinking. Maybe it's going to be like any other video than like can just work. One time just work. Actually higher, hold on. I don't know if it's right. That's a couple blocks higher, hold on. Oh, I dropped my pickaxe. I need to find a bed. Like with part 2 though. I'm trying to get to 10, but I can't. I haven't got this one yet. That's the only question. And I have some honest detect me again. And I need. Oh no. Actually, why would I do that? That was so dumb of me. Okay, guys. So at this point, I'm trying to throw 4. And hold on, I didn't know. Let's. Wait. Oh wait. I fired this thing. Oh come on. Can I just make a another phone? I just pressed something. Well, I'm pressing. What am I pressing?